Muscle cars have always held a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts. Their raw power, aggressive styling, and unmistakable road presence make them icons of the automotive world. But what happens when an iconic nameplate from the golden age of muscle cars gets a modern revival? Enter the 2025 Plymouth GTX, a stunning reimagination of a classic legend, blending heritage with cutting-edge technology and modern performance. For decades, the Plymouth GTX was known as the gentleman's muscle car, offering a perfect balance of luxury and brute force. Now, in 2025, this nameplate makes an electrifying return, and it's more powerful, more advanced, and more refined than ever before. But does it stay true to its muscle car roots? Or has the GTX transformed into something entirely new? Let's take a deep dive into everything we know about this beastly comeback. The first thing that catches the eye is the design. Plymouth, now under Stellantis umbrella, has taken inspiration from the past while pushing boundaries into the future. The 2025 GTX retains the classic two-door coupe silhouette but with a more aerodynamic and muscular stance. The front grille is wide and aggressive, flanked by slim LED headlights that give it a menacing look. A large air intake sits on the hood, reminiscent of the classic air scoops from the 60s and 70s, hinting at the immense power underneath. Moving to the side profile, the sculpted body lines flow seamlessly, emphasizing the car's wide fenders and low stance. Large 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires complete the look, while optional carbon fiber elements add a touch of modern performance styling. The rear end is just as striking, with a full-width LED taillight bar, an integrated rear spoiler, and a massive dual exhaust setup that hints at the beast lurking beneath the hood. Speaking of power, what truly defines a muscle car is its engine and performance. While the classic GTX relied on monstrous V8s, the 2025 Plymouth GTX offers multiple powertrain options to cater to different performance enthusiasts. The base model is expected to feature a 6.4-liter Hemi V8, delivering around 500 horsepower, a true homage to classic muscle cars. But for those craving more power, a supercharged 6.2-liter Hellcat Red-Eye V8 will be available, pushing the GTX to an astonishing 797 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful modern muscle cars on the road. And here's the real game-changer: Plymouth is also rumored to introduce an all-electric version of the GTX, featuring dual motors and all-wheel drive. This electric GTX could produce over 900 horsepower, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, rivaling the likes of the Tesla Model S Plaid and Dodge Charger Daytona SRT. While some purists may frown upon an electric GTX, there's no denying that instant torque and blistering acceleration would make it a force to be reckoned with on the streets. Of course, power is nothing without control, and Plymouth has made sure the 2025 GTX is more than just a straight-line monster. A new adaptive suspension system, a lightweight chassis made from aluminum and carbon fiber, and advanced aerodynamics ensure that this car handles as well as it accelerates. Brembo high-performance brakes provide superior stopping power, making the GTX a well-rounded performance machine. Stepping inside, the interior is a blend of retro inspiration and modern luxury. The driver-focused cockpit features a 12-inch digital instrument cluster, a massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and premium leather and Alcantara upholstery. Classic elements like the pistol grip shifter pay homage to the GTX heritage, while advanced tech like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system bring it into the future. Another exciting feature is the AI-powered performance mode, which allows drivers to customize their driving experience. Whether you want to cruise comfortably, unleash maximum power, or optimize efficiency, the GTX adapts in real time. The launch control system and drift mode add another layer of excitement for those who love pushing their cars to the limit. Safety hasn't been ignored either. The 2025 Plymouth GTX comes equipped with advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Whether you're hitting the open road or navigating city streets, the GTX ensures a secure and confident driving experience. Now, let's talk about pricing and availability. The base model is expected to start around $65,000, while the high-performance Hellcat version could push beyond $90,000. The all-electric variant, with its extreme power and cutting-edge technology, might even exceed $100,000, placing it in the same league as high-performance EVs. Plymouth is expected to offer limited production special editions, featuring unique color schemes, upgraded performance parts, and commemorative badging to celebrate the return of the GTX. So, is the 2025 Plymouth GTX the ultimate modern muscle car? It certainly ticks all the right boxes: classic-inspired design, brutal power, cutting-edge technology, and a driving experience that blends nostalgia with modern-day performance. Whether you're a die-hard muscle car fan or a new generation enthusiast, the GTX is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of the year. Would you go for the V8-powered beast, or would you embrace the electric muscle car revolution? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to future Cars updates for more exciting car reveals and reviews. Stay tuned for the latest updates on the hottest upcoming vehicles.